Josh King Madrid, better known as JetSetFly, is a young American entrepreneur, digital marketer, author, podcaster, and internet celebrity. He was born on March 8, 1998, in California, and is half of the Madrid brothers. His brother, John Madrid, is a popular TikTok star with 5 million followers. JetSetFly is the founder of NFT magazine and is best known for starting the Team JetSet movement in 2016, alongside Tai Lopez, Grant Cardone, and Gary Vaynerchuk. This movement played a major role in kickstarting the careers of many of today's most relevant business influencers and content creators. JetSetFly's entrepreneurial journey started at a young age. His family faced challenges while running a multi-million-dollar e-commerce site during the dot-com boom, but they moved back to California when the bubble burst. Despite facing racial abuse and harassment, Madrid excelled in his earlier years at school and started buying wholesale products online and retailing them to his classmates for profit from as young as 7 years old. He believes that hard work and dedication are key to achieving success. JetSetFly is estimated to be worth multiple 8 figures and has nearly 1 million combined followers on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. He is known for his love of supercars and a lavish lifestyle, which he often showcases on his social media platforms. JetSetFly is based in Miami, Florida, and has starred in a documentary-style film called Kings of the Internet, alongside other successful entrepreneurs and influencers such as Gary Vaynerchuk, Jake and Logan Paul, Lewis Howes, Patrick Bet-David, Jay Shetty, Tai Lopez, Grant Cardone, Andrew and Tristan Tate, Dan Bilzerian, and Anthony Robbins. The film explores the daily routines and strategies for success of these influential figures. JetSetFly's vision for his brand is to create a movement that inspires people to live their best lives, both personally and professionally. He believes that anyone can achieve success if they have the right mindset and work hard. JetSetFly's success is not just based on his personal achievements but also on his ability to inspire and help others achieve their goals. JetSetFly is also known for his previous relationships and his status as an internet playboy. He has been seen traveling with baddies only, and his previous relationships include a highly publicized breakup with Instagram model Jenna Frumes. Despite his controversial image, JetSetFly is a philanthropist at heart and has worked with various non-profit organizations to help those in need. He has also leveraged his success to help others achieve their goals through mentorship and coaching. One of JetSetFly's most notable achievements is being the world's first marketer to sell using Instagram DM chatbots. This unique approach to marketing has helped him generate significant revenue and has set him apart from his competitors. He is also the author of the book, The Art of Frame Control, and JetSet Life Hacks, a neuromarketing, NLP expert, serial entrepreneur, and public speaker. He created the song, Millionaire Dropout, under his pen name JetSetFly. JetSetFly's love of supercars is well known, and he is often seen driving his Lamborghini and other luxury vehicles. His passion for exotic cars has become a symbol of his success and love for the lavish lifestyle. He is also a regular on the "Rich Kids of Instagram" scene, where he showcases his opulent lifestyle to his followers. In conclusion, JetSetFly's rise to fame and fortune is a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and resilience. Despite his controversial image, he has managed to turn his life around and become a multi-millionaire at a young age. His success in the fields of digital marketing and entrepreneurship has earned him a place among the kings of the internet. He continues to inspire others with his insights and strategies for success, and his love for the lavish lifestyle serves as a symbol of what can be achieved through hard work and dedication. JetSetFly is a true example of what it means to have the mindset of a winner and the work ethic to achieve anything you set your mind to. Subscribe for more biography net worth videos about your favorite internet celebrities and famous entrepreneurs.